Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to share the link of your Instagram post or reel. So if you are posting something and you want to share the link, or you want a link of that particular thing, so you can easily do it by using this feature of Instagram. First you need to open your Instagram account and log into your account. Now you need to click on the profile pic at that your profile pic, and now you need to select that particular post or reel on your feed. Like in my case, I had opened this feed. Now if I want to share that post to somebody else, or if I want to share that particular link, I will click on the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can see that there are lots of options will be given, but if you want to copy specific link for that particular post or reel, you need to click on link option. Now you can see that our link has been copied, and if I want to share this link, I will go on that particular place and I will click on the tab button and click on paste. So this is the way to copy and paste your link on Instagram. You can also share this link to any other platform like WhatsApp, message, and any other website if you want to share this. So this is the way to share your link on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. Please like this video.